2 big screws in the back and a small spanner screw. So do not put the large screw in the center, because that will damage the logic board. I can put them back for you, but we'll just put them in our little ice tray. You remember where they are. That's one of the tricks, remembering where the screws are. Then there is the back plate where the memory is. There's 3 screws back here, all pretty much with this small little 0-point Phillips head screwdriver. So there's a little back plate that holds the memory in a hard drive. What's the memory in the hard drive? Do you take the memory out? The other memory out. There's a hard drive. Get the hard drive out. And there's a bunch of more screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, so we take those out and start. These screws here holding the top case assembly from the side. Also holds the top case assembly in from the side. And there's 3 more little screws. And tiny screws by the memory compartment underneath the latch that holds the memory in. And those little screws are also part of the top case assembly, which is what we're going to remove. And you need to remove if you want to replace the top case assembly, or if you want to get into the computer to change the super drive or the logic board. Those screws have already been removed. So I'm going to remove this one here. No black screw. And there's another one. Here's the one in the back. There's two in the back. And two center ones. Two. Open it up. And should be able to remove the top case. Came out pretty easily. Top case assembly, which houses the keyboard and retails for about $150. Okay. Now in this case, we're also going to take out the super drive. So screw on the side. Another screw.